Okay, let's take a look at some of the handouts that we're going to be working on today. Our focus is calculating the mean of a set of data. Let's write that out. We're calculating the mean of a set of data. So the mean of a set of data would be, I'm going to say the mean is a number that shows the middle value of a set of data. And sometimes mean is referred to as averages, like in this page. But we're going to practice just calling it mean. And it is spelt the exact same way as like if you're being mean to someone. I don't really know why it's called the mean, but that is the proper term when we're looking at it with other data. So there's two steps to figuring out the mean of a set of data. Step one, which we see kind of right here. Let me see if I can highlight this for us. So step one is to find the sum of the numbers. So let's take a look at our first example. We have 13, 13, 13, and 17. Now, when you hear the word sum, you should immediately think of plus, addition. So sum means addition. So what we need to do here is we need to add 13 plus 13 plus 13 plus 17. And you have a handy dandy calculator at your desk today, but I'm going to practice some mental math here. And I'm going to look at 13 plus 13. So I've got 10 plus 10 is 20, and 3 plus 3 is 6. So that's 26. 26 plus 13 would be, so I've got 26 plus 13 is going to give me 39, right? Because 10 plus 26 is 36. And then add 3 more to get 39. So we're at 39. And then if I'm going to add that 17, I'm going to end up with, let's add the 10 first to go from 39 to 49. And then 49 plus 7 is going to give us 56. So we've got 56. So that's step one, 56. Oh, I'm about to write 55. I'm going to change it into a 6. Super sneaky. Okay. And step two, this is a lot of words and it's confusing, but I'll try to make it easier for you. Divide the sum. So the sum would be 56, right? We've calculated our sum. Sum is a fancy word for what you get when you add up all the numbers. So our sum is 56. So if we divide the sum by the number of addends, well, addends just means the number of numbers we added. So how many numbers did we add together to get 56? We added 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we're going to do is we're going to go 56, and this is the divide button on your calculator that you'll use. So 56 divided by 4 is going to give us our answer. All right, so you'll get your calculator out and you'll type in 56 divided by 4, and you'll find that the answer is 14. So our average or our mean is going to be 14. The average or our mean is going to be 14. Okay, let's do one more. Okay, so step one for question B, trying to do questions here that'll help you out. Step one for question B is to find the sum. So sum, we're going to add up all the numbers. So let's add up all the numbers. We've got 15 plus 20, and that equals 35. And then the next number I need to add is 25. So 35 plus 25. Well, let's see, we have 30 plus 20, that's 50. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 50 is 60. So now we have 60. And 60 plus the next number, which is 30, that's going to equal 90. And then we have 90 plus 35. So let's go 90 plus 10 of the 35 is 100. And then that leaves us with 25 left. 100 plus 25 is 125. So you could have done that on your calculator. I just did some mental math. Now let's take a look and see how we can use this sum to figure out our average or our mean. So remember, once we have the sum, now we're going to divide it by the number of numbers we added together. That's the tricky part, right? We added, let's see here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to do 125 divided by 5. And that's going to give us our answer of 25. Okay, you can switch over to do these on your own. If you want to stick around and do one more with me, I'll do one more, and then you can finish this page. And there are some more questions for practice on the back. So in this question here, we have 10 plus 6 plus 6 plus 9 plus 13 plus 3 plus 2. So we're going to add all that together. Let's just do kind of a running count. We've got 10 plus 6 is 16. 16 plus 6 equals 22. What's our next number? Oops. Our next number is 9. So 22 plus 9 equals 31. Our next number is 13. So 31 plus 13 equals 44. 44 plus 3 equals 47. And 47 plus 2 equals 49. So we have our sum. Our sum is 49. And I'm just going to circle it like I've been doing. And now I'm going to count what I need to divide 49 by, the number of numbers. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if we do 49 divided by 7 on our calculator, we're going to get 7. I actually need to fix this because this divide sign looks like a adding sign, and I don't want us to be pushing the adding button on our calculator. That's not going to give us the right answer. So let's fix that up. But that's what our division sign looks like on the calculator, and that gives us an answer of, see if I can write it in. It won't let me. That's really weird. Aha, I beat it. Okay, so our answer is 7. So you got to do a lot of calculating to figure out the average, or what we like to call the mean. But it can be done, and it's even easier when you're using a calculator, as long as you know what to do and how to make that tool help you.